Hello everyone. I often see people trying to open these kind of plastic welded cases with tools like Dremels and other sharp objects, and the result, well, it gets opened, but the result is usually quite awful, and I don't like that. I prefer trying to minimize the damage. So the best tool I found for this, let's see on the bench. So here we have Macintosh Portable rechargeable battery, which is long past the date, so it's empty. But I want to replace the battery inside the case. And if I go to the endoscope here, you can see the two parts of the cases. The case are joined together here, and they're kind of welded. It's not just glue, but if you look under, if you manage to find the correct angle here, it's interesting with this case. Yeah, here you see the top part of the shell goes under the other part, but it's not glued there. It's just really the seam here that's welded, but not this part. So the best tool I found for this is some specific exoknife blade here that's just 2 mm wide to maximize the impact where we want to cut, instead of spreading it too large. And then you have to put it there at the correct angle and use something like a rubber mallet to gently puncture the joint and move along the joint. You need to be very careful, of course, and don't put too much pressure, and don't go too much inside, because you can damage parts. I already did it once. Yeah, it actually works. Like I already managed to start opening it, so I will finish opening it, and we'll make another video once I opened it, and I can show you maybe how to glue it back together, so it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, maybe this way we can avoid damaging ancient parts. Yeah, see you later. Thanks for watching.